Do you want a driver's license and have autism, learning difficulties, dyslexia, highly anxious? Idrivesafety are here to change the journey, empowering you to successfully learn and pass your license test. Idrivesafety is a long-term registered NDIS provider for learner permit, driving lessons, occupational therapists, and vehicle modifications. Idrivesafety offer a significantly different, highly successful and empowering research-backed driver education system. What makes Idrivesafety 5-star driver education system so effective? With Australia's most successful NDIS 5-star driver education programs. Autism, Aspergers, anxiety, acquired brain injuries, ABI, learning difficulties are not a disabler to getting a license. Each individual has their own learning style requiring a tailored delivery methodology, as do engineers and scientists who learn differently. All training is delivered one-on-one, delivered by Australia's highest trained driving coaches. Delivery methodology tailored to each client's learning style, delivered in a structured pedagogical curriculum, delivered as a graduated education system. A disabler for those with autism is the instructional system that will tell and tell and tell, triggering anxiety. Instructors think more telling is an education process. Not true, more tell equals more listening and less learning. The instruction system will frustrate you, make you feel like it's your fault because you don't understand what they are saying. The more they say it, the more you feel disempowered. But the instructional delivery method is the learning failure, not a human's ability to learn. Idrivesafety coaches will coach you in your learning style, and you will learn to drive safety as many, many thousands have already done with Idrivesafety 5-star driver education system, empowering social inclusion, job opportunities and self-management. Everyone deserves that opportunity. If you would like to discuss how Idrivesafety can help you or your teen, please call 1-800-956-999 or email info@idrivesafety.com.au.